Good morning students. As in previous video, I have completed the chapter packing. Today we will discuss over the questions. Now students, open your book all of you and see the exercise. See all of you. First question is given. Discuss in pairs and answer each question below in a short paragraph 30 to 40 words. First question. How many characters are there in the narrative? Do not forget the die. As you have studied a story, that in this story three persons name are given, but here question is given that Montmorency you should also include. So there will be four characters here: George, Harris, and the narrator Jerome K. Jerome, and fourth is Montmorency. Why did the narrator, second question, why did the narrator Jerome volunteer to do the packing? Why, question is asked, why did the narrator Jerome advised those two friends to sit and he wanted to pack? What would be the answer? You should think that Jerome thought that he was the best packer and he was proud of his packing. Third question, how did George and Harris react to this? When he advised those two friends to sit, so they accepted it. They sat on the chairs. Did Jerome like that reaction? No, Jerome did not like that reaction, but as he had said that he did not like when he was working and others were looking at him and making him irritated. You have studied this. How did George and Harris react? Fourth question, what was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? He wanted to show that he was a good packer and he wanted to boss the job. What did Harris say after the bag was shut and strapped? You have studied in the beginning when the first bag was packed by Jerome K. Jerome and he strapped it. Then Harris asked whether he had packed his boot inside it or not. Why do you think he waited till then to ask? He wanted to make him irritated. He wanted to teach him. What horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later? After opening the bag, again when he said he shut it. What idea had came? Horrible idea came. This horrible idea was that the horrible idea was whether he had packed his toothbrush or not. Where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? You have studied. He found the toothbrush in a boot. Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? As he had forgotten the spectacles. Once he did not remember whether he had packed his boots or toothbrush, and third time he had packed the spectacles inside it, so he had to reopen. Why did George and Harris offer to pack and why? Why did George and Harris offer to pack and why? The bag was packed by narrator Jerome K. Jerome. Then whatever hampers were there kept, Harris and George they accepted to pack them so that the narrator Jerome K. Jerome could take rest. See the question number 10. While packing the hampers, George and Harris do a number of foolish and funny things. Take the statements that are true. This you will do yourself. Read the story and find out which is correct. For example, first I will tell, they started with breaking a cup. It is right. So in this way, in the story, what is right, which sentence is right there. You read yourself the whole story and solve it yourself. Now see next part. What does Jerome say was Montmorency's ambition in life? What do you think of Montmorency and why? In yesterday's video, I have taught you that Montmorency liked it when somebody was scolding him and somebody was going to stumble to hit him with his feet, and if he is using him, he liked it and thought that the day was not ruined. You have studied this. You should read again and write down that answer. Third part, discuss in groups and answer the following questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. First, of the three Jerome and George and Harris, who do you think is the best or the worst biker? Best, nobody was there. Everybody has a complete mistake. Worst was there. You have known that Harris also had complete mistake. George and Jerome also. But I think that Harris was the worst biker as he had kept the heavy things up and the light thing at the bottom of the hamper. Yes. We should give the example what things he had kept there. Second, how did Montmorency contribute to the packing? You have studied that Montmorency was there all the time until the packing was over, and you have studied the activities of Montmorency, that he had disturbed the things that were kept and he had sat on the packet and he had put his leg into the jam and thought that the lemons were the rats, and he had disturbed the packet and the materials and the things. So you have studied, you should write that. Do you find this story funny? Exactly, this story is funny. Has many funny points you have seen there. What are the humorous elements in it? Humorous means the things that make you laugh. You have seen that at many places you can laugh. If you read this story, when the Montmorency dog thought that the lemons were rats and he had destroyed 3 of them, it was also matter of laughing. It is also humorous point. Harris had kept tomato, strawberry jam on the bottom and the heavy things on the top, and the jam was now destroyed. And as you have seen that the activity of Jerome K. Jerome, narrator, how he had forgotten the things, the toothbrush, boot and soap, many things he had forgotten and he did not remember what things he had piled on. These are humorous things that you have to mention. Again read the story and write it. Pick out at least 3 things about what happens. You will write that I have told you now. See further. Further is the match the words phrase in column A with their meaning in column B. Students, here meaning is written at one side, another side. So column B is given, you have to match them. Here answer I have written at the blackboard. You will write this one and you will write in your notebook. In this way, students, this chapter is completely finished, and it is your duty to write the difficult word meanings, whatever I have told you, and you should revise the lesson again and again, and you should write the question answer in your notebook that I have told today. And as you know that today is 3rd September, you have to submit it on 5th September. You have to submit your homework. You should solve this exercise, write in your here notebook, and then you should submit it to your respective teachers on 5th September 2020. Further I will teach you next day. Thank you.